Apfel Doctor Germany, my name is Ben. Good morning and welcome to the micro soldering show. And today we got a guest, and it's Felix from Lixma. He is a wholesaler of a lot of goods here in Germany. You can check the website lixma.de. You get a link under this video. And today he brought some nice things here. The new Sunshine SS-101C, and it's a great, really the best tool I ever seen for removing ICs, for cleaning glue and things like that. So let's have a look. What do we have here? I just get you on the on-hands camera, and I hope that the place looks okay for you. So we just do an outboxing of this great tool. I already showed this product in a German video some days ago, but I only got one, and now I got some more, because this tool you have to buy. Yes, you have not yet. You have to buy it 10 times or more. Okay, you need this product just in stock, because when a thing like this is cracking or things like that, you just need a replacement for that. Okay, I use mine now for about 1 week, and it's all like on the first day, and I use it several times a day. So I think it's really stable and doesn't get any problems. But for me, I just took 10 now out of them, because I want enough of them here for all the people they work here, and if something gets broken on this beautiful tool. So let's see, we got one time the main unit. It's made of a great aluminium troy. It's a really great material, and you can hold it perfectly in your hand. And then we have some really nice tools to work on logic boards. Okay, at first, and this is the main feature for me, or one of the main features, is this beautiful scraping tool, because it's a lot thinner than the Quanli that I used the whole time. Here we got the Quanli 007. It's really a great tool, but you always have to use this and to make it smaller as it is when you get it. And this tool is much smaller than this. I can show to you by just removing the glue around the CPU on an iPhone 8 Plus, because it's really just great. And we can take out the CPU too, just for you, to show you how great this tool works. Felix,
Yeah.
should we do that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Felix doesn't speak any English, but he tries to. It's like me when I try to speak French or
German.
things like that. Or German, yeah, you're right. So we just take off the shield. So Felix sees what this tool can do, because he doesn't do any solder works. Only his company does it, but not he himself. So okay, let's get up the shield. See that? Okay, after we get it out, we just take a clean room wipe and clean one time the CPU. And then we go straight under the microscope to show you that beautiful product. You see that? You got the CPU right there. And now, with the normal scraping tool, you see it, I think you should see it here, it's really big. So when I go in here, often capacitors here, or chips on the iPhone 7, the small ODRC over the CPU can crack. Yeah, or when you go on the sides, often some resistors just go away. But with that tool, you don't have any problems like that. I show it to you. So we slow down the air, take our right temperature to clean the glue, and then we take this beautiful tool. Is it mine or is it a new one? I don't know. And do you see that? It's so, really so fucking small. It's great. You can go over there and take out the glue without doing any damages to a chip, because you have really much more space between the tool and the chips. You see that? It really works great. You have to be careful to don't scrape the bottom. Included in the box is a Schmirgelpapier. I don't know in English. You have to search on Google Schmirgelpapier.
The one that
What?
smoothens, makes things smooth. Or
Yeah.
sandpaper. Yeah.
Okay, sandpaper. Okay, you heard? There is included a sandpaper,
That's what I think it is.
and with the sandpaper you can just smooth the plate on the front a little bit. I hope you can see everything. So it really works great. And you see there is so much space between the small parts and the tool. You can scrape slightly out all the overfill. Overfill, underfill, like ever. I hope you can see everything here. So, just slowly. Just slowly. And now the other side. And you see you have really much space between the small parts here and the tool, so it's easy to get over. So now we are done with that, and now the next thing is coming. Oh. Was heißt niesen? Woo! Okay, sorry people for that. Things like that just happening. So let's see. I need a nozzle, but I need the right nozzle. Ah,
Just
it's
one?
laying. Yes, it's laying here. It's okay, bitch. He said a bad word to me, but that's when you order from him, you need to know that sometimes he has some bad words for you. Okay.
Doesn't make the product bad.
Yeah, the product is good anyway. So let's take the board and get out the CPU with the next plate for this tool. You can see it here. It's perfectly to taking out the CPU. Okay, I already used that several times, and it's the best I ever had for getting out the CPU or other chips. Really great. So now let's just take out this fucking CPU. And see how fast we can get it. And you see we can go under it, and now because the tool is really hard, we can just get out the CPU without any big problems. You see, we can lift it up so easy, and we got no damages on the CPU, not at all. Not at all where we got in, it's just great. We got all the pads, no pad missing. and no damages on the PCB. Often when you use a cheap tool for going in there, you lose some pads here, you got some scrapes, or here you got some damages on the CPU where you go in with the tool. Here we have nothing. It's really just amazing to see that. We didn't lose any small parts on the sides. It's really just perfect by using this tool for scraping around the CPU and this tool to get the CPU out. You can use it too for the baseband and for any other chips on this board. It's really just amazing. So I recommend you to order this tool, because when you want to do these solder works, it's a common tool. It's the most common tool in my opinion you need. Is that really great product, the Sunshine SS-101C. And when you order it, just go to Instagram, go to our story, and then you can do swipe up. I post the link directly to the shop under this video, so you can see it, and you can check it on Instagram. Just swipe up to order that amazing product. Okay? Do you want to say something? No?
No. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Place the order. Goodbye.